Welcome to the world of precision agriculture. This is the industrial harvest of the asparagus. Laser-guided accuracy. Sensors identify which asparagus spears have reached the ideal 20-centimeter length. Gentle touch. Mechanical grippers ensure the delicate asparagus tips remain undamaged. Heat management. Asparagus must stay cool from the moment it leaves the earth to maintain its sugars. Instant cooling. Ice-cold water reduces the asparagus core temperature to 2 degrees in minutes. Perfection in symmetry. Precision blades ensure every asparagus spear in the batch is identical. Digital grading. Asparagus is sorted into categories from small to extra large based on thickness.
Robotic assembly. High-speed arms pack the asparagus with consistent weight and tension. Beyond the bundle. The tender asparagus tips are selected for high-end culinary use.
Scientific preservation. We replace oxygen with inert gases to double the asparagus shelf life.
Upright logistics. Storing asparagus vertically prevents the tips from bending toward the light.
The cold chain fortress. Our asparagus stays dormant and fresh until it reaches the store.
Xi tạp ngược đàm khi còn nét cụ làm chuột toàn tăng đầy minh thiểu sự kết chí đàm tàu toàn tắc cảm nhìn của phần ca son thiêm so một thủng bạch.
The crunch of quality. A testament to advanced industrial harvesting and logistics.
building the future. Our asparagus crowns are bred for disease resistance and high yield.
Autonomous monitoring. AI drones ensure the health of every single asparagus plant.
Diagnostics complete. Initiating test sequence now.
Clear. Arms are cycling smoothly.
Và sau đó tôi đã đến văn phòng và làm tất cả những gì anh yêu cầu.
Tốt, đó là tinh thần.
Tôi đã gửi tất cả những thông tin mà anh cần cho dự án đó.
Tuyệt vời, anh sẽ không phải lo lắng về việc đó nữa.
Connecting the world. Harvest Motion delivers fresh asparagus to every continent.
You have to try the asparagus. It's perfectly cooked.
She's right. It's the best thing on the table.
The autonomous sorting system increases efficiency by 40%.
And the yield projections remain steady at this scale?
Yes, the AI adjusts for optimal growth.
Harvest Motion. Engineering the global harvest.